Today I show you how to turn off the flashlight of your iPad. And if you go in the control center and you don't have the flashlight button, then I'll show you now how to turn off the flashlight. This is the camera module of the iPad. I'm doing this, it's a video with the iPhone. And if you don't have the button here, you can add it. You can go to the control center, swipe from the top right, swipe down from the top right, and then long press in the control center. You have these options now. Then tap add control, and after you tap add control, press on flashlight. And you have the flashlight now. Tap anywhere to clear it, and you see that the flashlight is on. And now I press the button and the flashlight is off. That's the button there, that's the light. So now it's on and now it's off. You can leave this flashlight button here if you want to. It's a really great way to be able to see in the dark. Use your iPad as a flashlight when needed, but don't forget it, don't keep it on. And if you want to remove the button, make sure you remove this after you turn off the flashlight. So now it's off, and also there is no option to add it, to turn it on. Thanks for watching.